Open Inspiration and you will be presented with three choices to create either a diagram, an outline or a map. All three will be covered in these videos, but you should start with either the diagram or the map. In this session I'm going to make a start with the map, so with a click on Create a Map we are presented with this screen. Don't be put off by the amount of icons that you can see. Half of the top toolbar is for the diagram, and most of the rest of that toolbar will be dealt with using the outline view. The toolbar at the bottom is just to change the shape and colour of the branches and the font and point size of the text. The only thing to concern us at the moment is the zoom buttons bottom left. Clicking the small pyramids is zoom out, clicking the large pyramids is zoom in. The third button there is just for an optimum fit of the map to the screen. Now begin your map by overtyping the central idea with your own title. Click on the white background when done. To add a heading to a branch, left click on the particular branch to activate it. You can tell it's activated by these 4 white squares, and just type your heading. Continue like that until all your headings are displayed on the screen. As it happens, my project has 6 subheadings, so I need to add 2 more branches. To do that, click on the main title to activate it, and click one of the plus signs to add a branch. It arrives already activated, so you can just type your heading. Sub-branches are added and removed in the same way. For example, I'm going to add a sub-branch to results, so left click on results to activate it, click on the plus at the end of results and type the subheading. Click on the white background when done. I want to add a second subheading to results, but this time I'm going to add it in the wrong place to show you how to move things around. So we will make it a subheading of method. Click on the plus on the end of method to generate the sub-branch. And I may even have subheadings below gender. Now gender and its 2 branches should really be a sub-level of results. So click and drag that piece of the branch that is under the word gender and drag it over the word results until the dotted green arrow appears. When you let go the mouse, the new bond forms and the old one breaks, leaving gender and its branches in the new position. Now, just as a point of interest, you can't do that in the diagram view, which was why I've started with the map, because I think the map is much more versatile. Now if you don't like what it looks like, you can just click and drag to spread things out a little bit to make it look neater. One thing I didn't mention when constructing the map is how to delete unwanted branches. I just generate one. First of all, click on the branch to highlight it, then hit the delete key on your keyboard. As simple as that. Note there is no text attached to any of these headings yet, but what we have just seen is the main purpose of the map, to generate a logical structure for your headings and subheadings. Before we leave this screen, I'll show you my method for changing the font and colour. right click on a branch. That is right click. And from the drop down menu select Format Branch. Format Branch and its sublevels allow you to change everything to do with that particular branch. Clicking on Font allows you to change the font and point size and colour and everything else. Finally, on the left hand side of the screen are symbols that can be attached to the branches. Click on the down arrow of Libraries and scroll through the submenus until you find a relevant symbol. To attach one of these symbols to a branch, click on the relevant branch to activate it, then click the picture. It attaches itself to the branch. It doesn't matter where you move this branch now, the picture moves with it. You can even resize the picture if necessary. To remove the picture, right click on the branch and select Remove Symbol from the drop down menu. That concludes the demonstration of the map view.